Morning everyone. Ever wonder what a fat man on a thin journey gets up to on a Sunday morning? Well, follow me. Here we have the lesser spotted horse dog out in the wild, being walked by an even lesser spotted teenager. So this looks like the start. We've never done this before, have we? Oh, wonder where we're heading to. It's fairly beautiful out here, all down this path. This is a start. Apparently this is the beginner's route. No vehicle access. Definitely says to Thor's cave. And the scenery gets quite pretty out here. But what about the smells? There's a little bit of farm bum bum going on. So now the path's changed a little bit. I think we're going up there. So yeah, so this is what they call a beginner hike. Yeah, okay, we'll see. So we're not doing bad on our beginner hike. More to go. We're continuing to climb. We were down there a moment ago. I'm not going to lie, Fatman's having a bit of breathing going on, but we're getting there. And that's where we came from. So I'm pretty scared of heights. And that, I think it's a cliff face, but there's no way I'm doing that. But this is at the top of the viewpoint at Thor's cave. Yes, I'm huffing and puffing. I am still 135 kilos, 6 foot tall. So this is pretty tough, but this is beautiful. This is well worth it. Down to the cave next. So that's where we was. I'm so glad I didn't walk up that with the dog. That really is a cliff face. Wow. Wow. This is lovely. What a gorgeous, gorgeous late September morning this is. Absolutely gorgeous. I think we're getting somewhere near. There's some fair old steps around here. How are you doing, Nance? We're having a good time. So, we made it, Nance. Where do we make it to, babes? That behind us is Thor's cave, everybody. Down there, oh yeah, so for those of you that are wondering, all the way down there is the Manifold Valley, so I would only do the Manifold Valley route to the cave if you're fit, because the steps to it are pretty mega. We came the shortcut, and for a fat man it was taxing enough, but pretty good fun. See you on the other side. So that's us back at the car park. 1 hour from start to finish, including some pictures and some videos at Thor's cave. We did Thor's cave and the viewing point. What I'm going to say is, unless you are a reasonably fit person, don't attempt to do the Manifold Valley entrance. If you're an average or chubby person like me, the short route is actually still quite tough enough. We've got a sweat on this morning. Even my reasonably athletic daughter has often puffed and blown a little bit, so I would say that you do need to be of a reasonable level of fitness. And check out the dog. She's knackered too, but you should definitely do it.